that sexy girl I see over there. That's me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Peace here. I hope you guys are well. So I'm back again with another video, and as I promised you guys, today I'm going to be doing the unraveling of the Bantu knot. Yeah, so that is what we're going to be doing today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do remember to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Yes, so I'm going to be using so I'm going to be using Sari Organics avocado oil to apply on my hair as I unravel it. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to take a few droplets and apply on the hair. And then I'm going to start unraveling. I'm so excited. I hope it comes out well. Oh my god. So I'm taking them down slowly and carefully. So I am done with the unraveling. Now I'm going to separate the hairs.
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love.
So what is happening here is that I am twisting the hair against the twist, and then I am unraveling where I feel like it's naturally separating. So just follow the pattern of the curls. Where you feel like the hair is separating, that is where you separate. So you twist the Bantu knot, twist it against the direction that it's twisted, then separate the hair gently so that you cannot ruin the curls, as you guys can see me do here.
Trying to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
So this process is actually easy, but it takes a while. So be very patient with your hair. Give your hair some love. Do not rush it, because you want to protect your ends from breakage. You want to protect your hair from being too hard on it. Yeah. So be very patient. Take your time. No hurry until you're done. So I did do a Bantu knot tutorial. If you haven't checked it out, the link is going to be on the description box, and also I will attach it somewhere up here so that you guys can check it out. And then something else I'm going to tell you: when you're doing your Bantu knots and you want to achieve the Bantu knot out, make sure that you use a product that is moisturizing to your hair. As you can see, my hair is looking shiny and moisturized, and that will help even the hairstyle last longer.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock.
So if you want a side part or a mid part, make sure that you style it during the making of the bantu knots, because when you are unraveling, it will be very difficult for you to change the direction of your hair. Like, it will be very difficult for you to style it like that, because the hair is already curled and it's already taken a certain shape and form. So make sure that you separate your hair, either to make a parting at the middle or at the side while you're styling the bantu knots. Now at this point, I'm just separating the ones that I feel like they are not separated enough. Like, you see this one? So I can make it into 2 parts. Like that. And this will help me create like volume, because at now the hair is not looking very voluminous. Then I'm going to take my afro comb, or it's called a pick, and then pick my hair to create more volume, especially on the roots.
How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
So this is how now my hair looks after fluffing it out. Now I'm going to play around with it to make a cute shape, because I think I look like a crazy person. So let's do that. I like doing a side part, so that is why this is here.
Your love, baby. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
I know it has it's frizzy, but I don't mind frizz, by the way. I feel like, oh, look at the curls, like, it's really nice. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. Please do try it out for yourself. It's really simple and the results are amazing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button right now. Yeah, and that is it for today's video. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, choose kindness, and of course remember to be safe. Bye. Ooh, who's that sexy girl I see over there? That's me.
Struggle, rejoice in your pain. Jabulane.